Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to find and open Effect Controls tab and also the Effects tab. First, go to Window option here and click on Effect Controls. Here, usually by default, it's going to show up in upper left corner. Now, it's possible that the Effect Controls tab will be empty. To fix that, all you have to do is actually click on a video clip in the timeline. Now go to Window again and click on Effects. This will restore your Effects tab. Now Effects tab and Effect Controls tab can work together, and I'm going to show you how that works. So I'm going to search for an effect here, and this effect is going to be blur. So once I find my blur effect, I'm going to drag it onto the video clip. When I do that, my Effect Controls tab is updated with the new effect. So now you will see this blur effect here. I'm going to select ellipse and increase blurriness to add some blur to the video clip. But there's another way you can use to add Effects tab or Effect Controls tab. In that case, when they completely disappeared from your workspace. So here I'm going to close Effect Controls and I'm going to close Effect tab. Now, the fastest way to add them back is simply to press Shift 5 for Effect Controls and Shift 7 for Effect tab. And this is how you work with Effect tabs in Premiere Pro.